This is a Shields of Shame exclusive.
In Georgia, papers typically need to be served before a child is taken from their home. This process usually involves providing legal documents, such as a court order or warrant, to the parents, guardians, or legal custodians of the child. However, there are exceptions in emergency situations where immediate action is required to protect the child from imminent danger of abuse, neglect, or trafficking. In such cases, law enforcement officers or authorized court officers may intervene without prior notice to ensure the child's safety.
A Reveal investigation has uncovered records of DFCS caseworkers lying, falsifying records, and being negligent on the job.
Imani Mosk didn't make it to 11 years old when she died at the hands of her stepmother, beaten and starved to death.
And from a child juicy like that to bony like my finger.
Robin, her grandmother, blames Imani's killer, but she's also one of several families currently suing DFCS. Between January 2013 and August 2018, out of roughly 1,900 caseworkers, more than 800 were disciplined. Some were minor policy violations, but about 14% of the caseworkers falsified a record. Tom Rawlings is the DFCS director.
Kids with mental and behavioral health issues were sent into foster care when they likely needed health care instead. The kids were forced to live in offices and hotels, sometimes in unlivable conditions, for weeks and months. DFCS used about 280 county offices and hotels across Georgia to house kids, a heartbreaking number on sexual assaults of kids in foster care.
I don't believe anybody should promise that overnight we will solve this problem.
For many of the state's most at-risk teens, county offices have become home, sometimes for months. Fulton County Office of the Department of Family and Children's Services is designed to hold working administrative staff. But the Fox 5 I-team has learned that on its upper floors, it has become dorms for troubled teens.
It is something that I find unacceptable. It's a practice that I want to eradicate.
Fulton County, where they've used offices as living quarters, sources tell us it's under less than desirable conditions.
It is difficult to find the right providers to provide the appropriate care for that child.
The DFCS system has to be held accountable for this.
Former Georgia State Representative Erica Adeyemi grew up in the foster care system. She's the founder of Speak Out Loud, a nonprofit advocating for foster care.
If it was your child, if it was your cousin, if it was your brother, you would be screaming from the rooftop.
Bad gas.
Check it out, son. The purple and we want 92 and Braggville. I'll step outside. I just want front porch. My road in your garage. It's 92 like I said. I'm sorry. It is, yeah. It's gonna be 92.
Come on, breathing slowly, slow breaths. Boba, you're going to go and visit some people, and you're going to have a lot of fun. You're going to see little babies at your age. Yeah. And I think some of the pieces.
So, I have experience dealing with family and foster children. foster care about what she's saying.
Okay. Awesome. We're just sitting outside of the
family, foster family.
Okay.
I always worry about that. I had a crazy life growing up, and I'm so, well, dude, look, these people are here. I tell you what, if I asked them to help, guess what they would do? They would help me, and they will help you too, okay? They're not your enemy, baby, okay? All right. This granny messed up before. I have. But you just do what you can, okay?
He just wants to know why you're taking the baby.
Yeah.
He just doesn't understand.
No, why?
Is it okay if I talk about it, Ms. Supervisor?
Oh, yeah.
Is it called?
Just be blunt.
Yeah.
I like
last
it.
year, we've had continual concerns for substance use, continual evasions from drug screens for nearly a year. I've tried to partner with the family. I've tried to offer any and every service for free for them.
It is difficult to find the right providers to provide the appropriate care for that child.
I have had this case open since November 30th. This is the first time I've ever seen it. It's out in New Mexico. Have told me some very concerning things that no kid should ever know about. Me seeing Vincent here today, I just can't take the truth for him. I've tried time and time again to really partner. I've tried to not allow this to happen. I've been doing this for, I'm going on my 4th year. I'm doing this for a while. I don't take custody of students.
I got you. Are you good?
Love you, baby. See how y'all are men. Y'all know men love their babies just as much as mamas love their babies.
Yeah. It'll be alright. It'll work out. I'll make sure that he's good. I'll make sure he's in a safe place.
Good.
I did let Commissioner Martin and your mom know.
He's so loud.
First off, this has been going on from what I understand.
And I think it's totally unfair that we don't, if someone makes an accusation against me, say me, and I'm just, we're not innocent before guilty.
You're calling him on this, man.
Whatever. I know, but right now, this is a different phone call.
Is your son right now is the one who you're intermixing?
Yeah, calm down.
So your emotions
You can work through this, and if you show them emotion, you're scaring this lady.
He's scared.
I'm scaring no one.
Well,
She's scaring the hell out of me.
I know that. They don't
She's taking my
realize how.
son. Look at it.
I know. So calm down. Work through the court.
What do you expect me to do?
I
Just
said,
here?
calm down and we'll work through the court.
You have no rights to talk.
Yeah, you do.
Then why you can't take it?
So custody is something
You're not.
We don't sign him over to like a family member. Why can't we stand him over to a family member? I understand if we're staying here, they can't take him.
We have a verbal court order from
Verbal court order from who?
I
want to say some written something.
Because I would leave if they could take him.
Do that. He has the right to say
No,
it.
no. You are not taking this.
We do. We
Leave
have
the
a
right.
verbal
Go get a court order.
I'm not.
No, yeah, you are. You're not leaving with my son. I'm serious.
David,
you don't have a court order.
David, they got, listen.
You don't have a court
Can we
order.
stay here?
Now,
Like, why
wait a
can't we stay
minute.
with a family member?
Wait a minute.
That's verbal.
Stop.
That's verbal, man.
Okay,
That's
let her
not, that's not
explain
legally
that.
binding.
Well, verbal is legally binding. Well, verbal is legally binding.
Not with me. I didn't hear it. Did you hear it? Did she hear it? We wasn't there.
I don't even know anything.
I don't know what
This
the hell's
between
going on, Dad.
you, your son, and your woman. You know what I'm saying?
Why
I'm
do you
just
take the actual
here
custody though? Like it
and
just
trying to
foster care. Like, why
keep
can't
you
stay
out
with
of
a family
jail.
member? Like
I
what's
don't want to go to jail. I love him. This is my love of my life.
Okay, so
Okay.
the way to do it is you
Taken
got to
care
work
of,
through the
man.
court.
We don't fuck around here,
Why
man.
does it say a foster care
all
kid
she
and
has
she's
to
not
do,
free?
3 of her kids
What about
away,
Susan?
man,
Like, I
is
sent them away
she
from
can have that
Thursday, you know?
paper if that's, if you want it, you can
you
have
get
that.
a paper? You get
But
your
I can't
paper.
leave him here because we have legal custody of him at this point.
Well, get
As
home.
of 3:30.
Wait and bring the paper here so he can
I
read it.
cannot leave him here.
I know. I'm saying you stay here.
No, because we have somebody on the way that cannot transfer here. She's in training and she cannot transfer yet. So
Why are you doing this? Well, ask all the questions you want.
Why are you doing this to me? I didn't. We're
Try to
good
partner with
parents.
y'all for nearly a year now.
We're a good parent. Partner with us. We didn't need help. We didn't need help. We're in a trailer park and we're poor. That's why you're here. That's why you're here. You're taking my fucking son.
Stop cussing.
Excuse me. You're taking my son. How the hell? What am I supposed to be like? What am I supposed to just? Here you go. Here you go. Have him. No, it ain't like that. Ain't fucking like that.
I know, but David, right now,
Dad,
they
take
have
him,
all-
please.
And what?
Just give him to him. I'm not fucking handing him over to him. I'm not fucking
I know, he knows Daddy. What? Hang on. Dad.
You're wrong.
Dad.
I know, I'm sorry. Sorry, son. I'm sorry, son.
He ain't gonna want you right now.
That's my boy
Just
right
hang
there.
on a minute. Let him calm down. I thought you knew about kids. Then let him calm down. But you couldn't have picked him up, he would have hurt you. Is that what you wanted?
That's my It's the safest place I'll ever be. I'm not fucking around.
He knows what's going on. He's smarter than you
Yes.
think.
I'm gonna be smart. He's a smart kiddo.
You're gonna talk to the cop. You was my heart. My heart is the one that makes me want to get up. I got nothing to want to get up for. If they leave my home, can he stay with me?
They
Please?
take their custody.
It'll just be me and
We're gonna
my
cross that
husband and him.
bridge
I'll leave
if you
now.
want us to.
Me and her will leave now.
If they will leave, I'll make
We've
them
got to
leave.
do, it's not like an immediate thing. We've got to do drug screens on y'all. We've got to do background
That's
checks,
fine.
fingerprinting. We've got to
That's
approve
fine.
everything before we even cross that bridge.
That's fine. I've already passed all that stuff. All of it.
So it wouldn't be something where I could just,
Yeah,
leave him here.
you tell me when and where, honey.
You guys meet me at court on Monday and we can get the process started.
All right.
Okay?
Courthouse down in Canton, the big
Yes,
one.
ma'am. I wrote down the address for you. It's 90 North Street.
Okay. All right. I'll be there.
Monday morning.
I sure will. I will be there. Granny's gonna come get you, baby. Okay. I'm not mad at y'all. I hate y'all. I have nothing but love in my heart. We can't either. So I could just go and say stuff about people and
That's what we get to do.
wouldn't I go to jail if it was a lie? I mean, really.
Sonny, you have to go with him right now, so.
We're going to go play games and have a sleepover. And then you'll go see mommy and daddy.
At least let me know he's going to be all right.
They've used offices as living quarters. Sources tell us it's under less than desirable conditions.
And maybe if you could just sit up with me once in a while, I'd be okay. Oh my God. It's really got my...
Well, Dad's finally calmed down, but he came within a hair's breadth of going to jail and getting into a fight with a baby in his arms. He's like, y'all ain't leaving my son. I'm like, uh-oh, he just said the wrong thing. He's been cussing in front of that kid. And I was like, disorderly enough. Disorderly obstruction and anything else I can think of. But when he said, okay, you got to go with them, I took a step back, and that seemed to have calmed everything down. So, yeah.
And I do. I love y'all. I swear to God. Thank y'all for what y'all do and help yourself out there.
Good job. Y'all
You're
good
very
people.
welcome. Thank you.
I'm glad I live in Cherokee County.
For later, when he calms down, judges don't work nights, holidays, and weekends. The Superior Court sets up the juvenile court, and the juvenile court appoints what they call a liaison. And when the judge is not working and a judge is not available, like they're on the bench or something, they speak with the judge's authority.
So what is
Except
that?
they can't get to the clerk, so they give their orders verbally.
Yeah, I understand
Yeah.
verbally. Like in the old days, that's how we did it. And I'm on your side.
Thank you very much.
I'm not saying you're wrong. I'm just saying you'll be back because I know something. I don't want to say it. Just buy her more time. I need to show up.
No.
You probably already know. Well, he's getting up to me.
Who?
I don't know. I'm just saying. I don't even know. There's some stupid.
Is that even her? Yeah. That doesn't sound right.
I would have said the wrong one.
No.
You catch it?
I think they ran it wrong. But what's her name?
Yeah, because once you run it.
Is it Melissa? What's her last name?
It's a weird name to spell, but yeah.
Okay. I don't think that's her.
I'm pretty sure y'all got a W on it. Well, don't do it now.
Maybe.
Huh?
Maybe. We'll see.
Well, no,
I'm not too
I mean,
confident right now. I mean, if they come back and say yes, then okay.
No,
But
what I'm saying is, that's why I'm telling you. I'm working it out to take her down.
yeah. Well,
That's why I was saying.
if we're here and she's here, we don't have a choice.
Well, I was just saying now that I was trying to talk through this, could you work with me because
She'll have to
that's
go right
what
now.
we're going to do. I'll promise you that.
Well, if we do it now, then it won't happen at the courthouse Monday and look bad in front of the
No,
juvenile
we're
court.
going to take her tonight or in the morning and turn her on burn.
Yeah.
That's a promise to me.
I'll have to wait and
that,
see what
no,
the warrant
that's what
says.
we wanted to, because we don't want that happening Monday week.
She should have gone ahead and done it. How old is it? Is it new? Is it fresh?
It's a stupid thing. She didn't go overslept, didn't go to court.
Oh yeah, they're gonna want her if it's her.
It's over, I think the yard is, again, you know, they don't talk to me. Because they say one thing and do the other.
Yeah.
So, you know,
Yeah.
so I don't know much. I just
Is it
know
magistrate court then?
I don't know. I just was saying that's what we've gone through. And she's like, I know.
They get mad if you don't go to court, and then they start yelling at us.
Oh, I know,
It's like,
but
we didn't do
I
it.
was just saying.
Yeah.
I told you I didn't have to. I told you because I wanted to tell you in a way so you would give me an opportunity to.
If they say yes, we don't have a choice in the matter. That's the problem.
Well, if he did it. Well, I figured y'all already figured that out.
No.
I don't want so.
That's what made me wonder if it was accurate or not. I don't know that it is.
No.
Okay.
Okay, what's up? Can you do me that?
We can't.
What?
We're not allowed to. The judges won't let us.
Then
It's Georgia law.
I know, but I told y'all.
He just said she slept through.
I gave it. Then I won't be able to.
We don't have a choice. They don't let us make that decision.
I will bring her down there and we will.
I believe you, but I'm just saying they won't let us do that. That's Georgia law and the judges.
So it was wrong, try to be honest.
It's not you. Not you at all.
No.
I completely believe you, but
you didn't have
if
to
they won't
call
let me, they won't let me.
I told you.
Yeah, but our lieutenant's working. So.
I know, but
Yeah. How old's the warrant?
It's new, ain't it?
It is new? Well, we don't have to know, but.
It's over nothing. It's 250.
For what?
They got a citation for unrestrained animal.
Yeah, that's what it was. And it wasn't really their
So it's
animal.
magistrate.
Yeah.
Oh, please.
And then see, this animal showed up at their house.
And so, you know, I know the deal after 3 days, but you know what I'm saying? When they were thrown out of the house, then the dog disappeared. Then the dog came up here.
Yeah.
I tried to keep it in the place.
Yeah.
But you better not say that I said something. Please, God.
I don't feel good about doing it. Don't think that I do. I don't want to, but
Man,
like I said,
I could have told you that before. I told you, and then I would promise you I'd have to wear them off. That was the whole deal. And now,
FDA for unrestrained.
oh, please.
It's public order.
Magistrate, county ordinance. Paperwork issue.
yeah. So if you sign something that says should be done without.
We don't have those. That's what the ticket is.
The reason is now, my wife can't drive at night. And I don't know right now until I go back and talk. So I thought, as I trusted you.
You can go down there right now and tell the lobby deputy you're there to get her out, and you know, as soon as she's booked in, they'll do her paperwork, and out the door she goes. I know,
So
it's going to be like an hour and a half, 2 hours, I know.
I know, but I don't know how.
Yeah. But
there's no way you
no, we
take
can't.
My word.
They won't let us. They won't let us.
All right, well then, you're going to have to come and say that you just got it. You just got it done.
Yeah, we'll do that. We're not. Yeah, we'll do what we can, but.
All right, well, let's go and then.
Yeah, we'll do that down here, away from the house. And, yeah.
So I'll talk to her and just bring her out here.
Yeah, because we're not into jacking people up over a loose dog. So why in the world didn't the marshals take care of this? Oh my goodness. Now we gotta add insult to injury because of this.
That guy's gonna get really.
We've got enough to arrest him right now.
Oh yeah.
I don't want to do that. We hook them both up, Monday's gonna go bad. And yes, we can do that. Absolutely, we can.
I'm gonna pat you down.
Be nice.
Okay, it's fine.
Go search.
And I know you don't want to eat your dinner late, but we're going to do this as quick as we can because I don't want to ruin your whole evening.
It's okay. I was going to do this today anyway. You know that.
This is a judge's order. We can't question it.
Oh, I know, but I already knew. You know what I mean?
You put them girl panties on. I got my granny drawers.
Just listen to her. These two know what they're talking about.
Don't expose yourself to me. Leave your shirt also.
Yeah.
I just want to see if your waist.
Oh.
All right.
Yeah.
And like I was telling him, there is a bright side to it. Because if this happened when they checked at the courthouse Monday in front of the judge,
that'll look really good. Trust me, I was already going to do this.
Judges get upset.
I said I have the money for the bench warrant before I could go, okay, but I
was
going to do this today anyway.
It can't be much. It's magistrate court.
You know how much
It's like 274 or something.
No way. That much?
Yeah.
I figured $50.
It's for my dog. I already surrendered my dog too.
Oh my goodness. For real?
I couldn't pay for the vet bill. I couldn't pay for it.
Yeah. Y'all heard the song Where I Found God.
It's such a beautiful song.
Yeah.
Y'all heard it?
We are brothers.
It's been a while, but I know it. Yeah.
Y'all know Line Up?
I love you, Melissa.
I do, actually. Yeah.
You got this, Mama.
All right.
I want to wait for them to confirm, and then.
They should have already done it.
Well, I didn't ask for them because she went back in the house, and I was like, if she don't come out, then.
I wouldn't really worry about it, except they're saying that they know about it. So, yeah, it's going to get confirmed.
82.
Yeah, just wait for them, I guess.
Separate case.
Yeah. They don't do their own entries. We do it for them. This guy's more experienced than the other guy. The other guy doesn't really realize who's on the bad end of the stick and who's on a nice comfy chair in a radio room. I mean, time will figure it out for him, but